Okay, so mga ka-Anitrax, I'm here to share to you kung ano ang ginagawa ko sa week 1. And this is in relation doon sa inyong clearance. Napuna ko lang, may mga nahirapan sa inyo on getting plate permits. No? Of course, we get the permits from the students kapag napili sila as best works. Pero kapag kasi end of the day nyo, end of the week nyo na siya ginawa or end of the term, mahirap na sila hagilapin. So here is a suggestion for you. So makikita ninyo rito, I have a sample message. This is a sample message na binibigay ko on week 1. Week 1 pa lang, ina-accomplish ko na yung plates permission. So this means lahat sila, all of my students, will sign the plates permission and then isasubmit nila yon sa isang Google Drive. Yes, isinasave ko siya sa isang Google Drive lang. Okay? And makikita nyo siya, as an example, andi dito naman yon. So, sa week 1 pa lang, as you can see, ayan ina-accomplish na nila yung kanilang plate permits. So pagdating sa finals, hindi ko na sila i-recall. Kukuha na lang ako dito kung sino yung napili ko, and then isasama ko na lang yung mga plate permits na yan. Okay? It is part of their attendance. So, ito yung message na pinapadala ko. So, for example, ito yung subject. So, nilalagay ko na yung plates permission, nilalagay ko yung direction on how to do the plates permission, and gumagawa ako ng Google Drive folder na kung saan may access sila, at pagkatapos nun, isasubmit na lang nila dyan. Pero that is just part of their attendance for week 1. Ano pa yung iba pang pinapagawa ko? Ang isa ko pang pinapagawa, mga ka-Anitrax, is this. Pinapa-formalize ko yung online presence nila. Hindi ko kasi sila makilala. For example, let me just show you. Pupunta ako sa isang subject. Ito yung ginawa ko. Sa people, yan. So, dito, sa people, ayan, makikita ninyo, most of them now are having their profile pics properly taken. Meron pang iba nga lang na medyo hindi pa ganun sumunod, pero sila na yung nandiyan dyan. Hindi na si Pikachu, hindi na kung sino-sino, though merong mga nagpapalit at the end of the term. Okay? So that is the second part of my attendance for week 1. Pinapabago ko ang kanilang mga profile pic into 2x2 ID pictures or anything na 1:1 square size. And ini-instruct ko kung ano yung kanilang content doon. Head facing front or bust shot. No, talagang ID picture yung nakalagay. Okay? And then also, I require setup ng kanilang software. So, pinapa-set up ko na yung software sa week 1 pa lang. For example, this is a digital storyboarding class. So, pinapa-renew ko na yung license nila via logins. Pinapagawa ko na sila ng account sa toonboom.com or Toonboom Learn, para talagang nakaset up na sila not only in school, but pati na rin sa bahay. Para wala ng reason na hindi pa sila nakakagawa. Okay? So, those are my attendances. Ngayon, para ma-check ko yan, ang ginagawa ko naman dyan to be fair din, or at least to have some leniency is, this is to be accomplished within week 1. Okay, within week 1. Kasi baka magtanong kayo, sir, paano yung absent ng week 1? Sorry, paano yung absent ng day 1? Kunyari, absent sila nung Monday, pumasok sila ng Tuesday, which is not the schedule of your subject na. That's why you send them a message. So regardless of the date they opened this, they received it prior. Diba? So, pinapadala ko to siguro Sunday before the start of the week. Pagkatapos nun, they can accomplish it within the week. Para makikita mo yung progress. Okay? Now, to further strengthen this, para mas ma-implement mo siya or ma-implement ko siya, gumawa din ako ng spreadsheet na kung saan nandoon sila and nandoon yung mga na-accomplish na nila. And naglagay lang ako ng formula para 100% kunyari kapag natapos na. Ngayon, yung makikita nyo dyan, meron pa rin silang mga mark na absent. Yan yung, usually itong mga to yung hindi nagtutuloy na sa subject. So dito pa lang may indications ka na. With the students, let's say, seriousness or longevity niya or kung ano man yung grit niya towards the subject. So makikita mo dyan pa lang sa week 1 kung in-accomplish niya yung 3 and then until the end of the term kasama mo pa ba yung student na yan. So that's one way. Okay? So at least dito kapag sinend mo to sa kanila, week 1 pa lang, natapos mo na yung clearance mo with regards to plate permissions. That's one. And then, hindi ka na rin mamumroblema or there's no more reason for them pagdating naman dun sa software access. Kasi all are being implemented week 1 pa lang. Okay? And also, makikita nyo dito, ito yung mga attachment. In-attach ko na yung PDF. We have a sample of this. So, i-download nyo lang yung PDF na yun, isa-send nyo lang sa kanila. And then, I also have my own screen captures noong mga nire-require ko sa kanila. Kunyari, yung Tunboom account screen capture ko para maalaman din nila kung ano yung nire-require mo. Okay? Yan. This can be done either as a message, tapos ire-reply nila sa inyo, or sa announcement. Pwede nyong i-post sa announcement yan and then you require them to reply. Pagka ganoon, mas interactive. And then makikita nyo talaga yung mga complying students. Okay mga Kanitracks, I hope nakatulong. Thank you for your time.